Starting a new garden plot? Don't just plant. Build your soil right from day one, because this step determines everything that comes after. First, mark out your garden bed and start digging down about 10 to 12 inches, setting that top layer of soil aside. Now here's where most people stop, but if you want next level results, you're going to double dig. Go another 10 to 12 inches deeper and loosen that subsoil layer with a shovel or garden fork. You don't need to remove all that soil, just break it up really well. As you go, pull out rocks, thick roots, and anything that's going to block root growth. This step is huge. It improves drainage, oxygen flow, and lets roots reach way deeper for nutrients and water. Now take that topsoil you set aside and start mixing in your amendments before putting it back. Add about 20 to 30% high-quality compost. This is your foundation. It improves structure, adds nutrients, and brings in beneficial life. Then mix in worm castings for microbial activity and add a balanced all-purpose organic fertilizer to provide a steady supply of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Now don't skip your secondary nutrients and trace minerals. Add a quality rock dust like basalt or glacial rock dust. This brings in calcium, magnesium, iron, and a wide range of trace minerals that plants need in small amounts, but make a huge difference in overall plant health, flavor, and resilience. A light, even dusting across the bed is all you need, usually around 1 to 2 cups per 10 square feet. Next, dial in your soil texture. If your soil is heavy or clay-like, add peat moss or cocoa coir to help with moisture retention and loosen things up. Then add aeration like perlite or pumice, about 10 to 20%, to keep oxygen moving through the soil and prevent compaction. Now let's wake up the biology. Sprinkle in microbial food sources like molasses, kelp meal, or alfalfa meal. You don't need a lot, just enough to feed bacteria and fungi so they can start breaking down nutrients and making them available to your plants. This is what turns dead dirt into living soil. Before you plant anything, hit your bed with an initial compost tea to supercharge microbial life. A simple recipe: take a 5-gallon bucket of dechlorinated water, add a couple handfuls of compost or worm castings in a mesh bag, then mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of molasses. If you've got it, add a little kelp meal or fish hydrolysate for extra nutrients. Let it bubble with an air stone for 24 hours. Once it's ready, drench your soil evenly. This inoculates your entire bed with beneficial bacteria and fungi right away, helping break down organic matter faster and making nutrients immediately available to your plants. At this point, mix everything together thoroughly, break up any clumps, and level out your bed. Water it in deeply so everything settles and the microbial life gets activated. If you really want to take it further, cover the bed with mulch like straw or leaves to protect the soil and keep that biology thriving. Give it a few days to settle, and now you've got a loose, nutrient-rich, living soil bed that roots can explode in. If you're serious about growing better plants, it all starts right here.